Everyone, again welcome. Today we are going to show you some amazing and unique designs of X-Mex decoration. It's all about X-Mex decoration like pine cone, ornaments, beautiful mixture of beautiful ornaments, and you can create very beautiful arrangement like that in very cheap price. You can get very beautiful ornaments and products mixture of Dollar Tree shop, and it's amazing idea and beautiful creation too. So in this video we are sharing some amazing and unique creation, and hope you like that all ideas and designs. You can make your own artistry project, and you can create them all. Add some pine cones, add some beautiful cinnamons, beautiful mason jars, old jars. You can create very beautiful things with that. So in this video we are sharing very beautiful and very amazing ideas, because in this video you are getting very amazing and creative things like a mixture of burlap, pine cone, jute, and very amazing things are. Hope you're doing very well. So these videos are making by very hard effort, because in this video we collecting many types of designs, many types of ideas. We are sharing with you easy ideas, easy to make at home. You can create very artistry work, and especially one thing, you can create beautiful times with your own family. Create your own time, create your time with your kids, and make its time very memorable. So here are very beautiful and interesting collection. Here are very beautiful designs of plated beautiful tree, and a special wreath, and plated tree, shelter tree, and wall hanging decoration, wall hanging ideas, beautiful ornaments, beautiful wreath designs, and you can create them very beautifully. If you want to create something new and different, so you can create it very beautifully. In this video we are sharing some amazing and unique ideas. 70 plus ideas are here, very beautiful and amazing creation, very amazing ideas are here. Many types of craft is here for you. We try to bring amazing and unique design. We try to bring very beautiful and creative ideas for you. You can make your own brand and post on social media, and storytelling behind the project. And obviously people wants to buy stories, people wants to buy handcrafted things, unique things. And if your project is amazing, your project will definitely work. And create your story about your project and post on social media, upload on social media, buy some Google ads if you can. So hope you're doing very well, hope you're enjoying these ideas and designs. These are very creative and unique collection, creative ideas. So these designs are very amazing and beautiful and popular designs for this season. So this new year, make some new things, create some new things, and make beautiful ideas. Always like Western women are very creative and very decent, very fashion iconic. So must watch my video till the end, and thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for supporting us. Thanks for your beautiful opinion. Those women who are commenting on my channel and make some time for my channel, so really very thankful to you. Have a very nice and glorious day. God bless you all. Wishing you a very happy new year and advance and happy holiday. Make some crochet things, make some cinnamon things, add some pine cones, natural look and very reasonable. It's a nature gift, so you can create them something different but very budget friendly. So thank you for supporting my channel. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy holiday. Stay blessed. Have a very nice day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और wishing you a very happy